All right, let's get straight to it. Ever wondered what the real name of Wealthsimple is? You know, the one they don't really shout from the rooftops? Yeah, me too. I mean, Wealthsimple is a catchy name, right? It's simple, it's memorable, and it kind of tells you what they do. But is that the official, legal name? Or is there something more, corporate lurking behind the scenes? Now, you might be thinking, why does this even matter? Well, when you're dealing with your hard-earned money, it's always good to know exactly who you're dealing with. Plus, it's just one of those things that bugs you, isn't it? Like when you see a product with a cool name, but you're dying to know the full, boring legal name. So, let's dive in. Wealthsimple, as we know it, is a popular online investment management platform. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, which is awesome. But what's the company behind the brand? What's the entity that holds the licenses, the permits, and all that legal jazz? Well, the legal name of Wealthsimple is, drumroll please, Wealthsimple Inc. Yep, you heard it right. The company behind the sleek website and catchy slogans is simply called Wealthsimple Incorporated. It's like when your favorite band is actually called the band. So, there you have it. Wealthsimple, the investment platform you know and, hopefully, love, is officially registered as Wealthsimple Inc. But wait, there's more. Because while Wealthsimple Incorporated is the parent company, there are actually several other Wealthsimple entities out there doing different things. For example, you've got Wealthsimple Investments Incorporated, which handles the actual investing part. Then there's Wealthsimple Payments Incorporated for all those money transfers, and Wealthsimple Media Incorporated for marketing and communications. It's like a Wealthsimple family, but with different jobs. It's important to know this because, depending on what you're doing with Wealthsimple, whether it's investing, transferring money, or just browsing their blog, you might be interacting with different legal entities. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is all very interesting, but why should I care? Well, as I mentioned before, knowing the legal name can be important for understanding who you're dealing with. It also helps to demystify the world of finance a little bit. And hey, maybe you'll impress your friends with your newfound knowledge of corporate structures. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.